Alright everybody, welcome to another episode of Unique Adventures. In this episode, we're going to be showing you how to make the most epic grilled cheese sandwich dinner at your camp spot, so stay tuned. And as everybody has noticed, we love to cook while we're up here camping. We have got our last weekend here in 2020. We're out here. My buddy Josh, he's over here hooking up the tomato soup. It's grilled cheese and tomato soup weather. We've been planning this video all summer long to do. We just had to wait for the weather to actually come around long enough so it get a little bit colder and we could actually pull this off. But you are not gonna want to miss this sandwich because we are pulling out a lot of the strings here. We're gonna be doing a lot of different stuff, so come along and see how Unique Adventures does their grilled cheese sandwiches. Let's show you guys how we're gonna do this here. Now we got sourdough bread. This is Seattle International sourdough bread. We're going to start with that. We are going to put on compound garlic parmesan butter. That's the start to the outside. Obviously you got to put some kind of butter on the outside. We do garlic parmesan. It just takes that to the another level. So let's get that going. We're just gonna get that on there, and we're gonna get that other piece slayed up there real nice. Now, if that wasn't enough, and cheese is gonna be the main thing about this. We're out here at River Bend. We got the train in the background. We're making the best of it. But so we're gonna take this thing to the next level on the outside. So we're gonna put that Parmesan butter on there, Parmesan garlic butter. We're also gonna take some Parmesan cheese and make that on a crust on the outside of it. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we also got something else we're gonna put on the inside to get it started. So let's show you that. We're gonna take our shredded Parmesan, come back on the inside of this here, put a little bit on here, get it spread around, get it to kind of adhere into the piece there. We're gonna do that again. This is just gonna be amazing. Get that in there nice and good, kind of pat it in there so it doesn't move around. Now on your inside layer, we're gonna start with a soft cheese, cream cheese on the inside, and then we'll start stacking our other cheeses. Yep, you heard it here. Cream cheese on the inside of your grilled cheese sandwich. It is gonna be awesome. So we got our piece here. We're gonna come in here, just spread a little bit of that cream cheese on the inside here. We didn't set ours out long enough. You probably want to set it out just a little bit so you can get it nice and happy. But that's what we're going to do here. We're going to pop this guy down. Now you want your Blackstone on low because you want that cheese to actually, you know, meld in there real good. The cheese that we're going to put on in the middle. Whoa, we lost some of that Parmesan. We're going to put that cream cheese in the middle. Now you're going to ask, well, you're gonna put some cheese on the inside, right? Or just put some cheddar cheese, put some American cheese, whatever. No, 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 no. We stepping it up here. Different level profiles of taste and everything. It's going down. We are putting on cheddar, provolone. We got mozzarella. Doing those different layers in there. We also got some tomato and a little bit of bacon to put on the inside of that too. And so let's go ahead and get into building that. We got our mozzarella here, little Sargentos here, and take a piece of that on the inside. Got to have that Tillamook medium cheddar cheese. Got the good thick stuff. We're gonna pop that on the inside. We got our provolone cheese, and put a piece of that on the inside. I told you this thing was gonna be cheesy. You can also put whatever kind of cheese you like. We're gonna also throw a little bit of pepper jack on this thing as well. And bam, we got our tomatoes and bacon here. Throw a couple of thin slices of that on here. A couple of those. Put a little bit of that bacon on there. and our other piece, and there you go. We're going to repeat that process a bunch of times here, but that's the start here. And now the trick is going to be flipping it every so often to make sure that you're not burning the outside, but you're getting that good ooey gooey cheese on the middle. So we're going to flip. And you see we're getting a little crust on the outside there, and that's what we want to see. We don't want to burn it. We just want to get a little crust on there. We'll keep flipping it and let that cheese in the middle get gooey. So let's build some more of these. We are starting to flip and rotate. We've got, what, 8 of these sandwiches built right now. As you can see, we flipped a couple of them. Look at the crust that Parmesan cheese puts on that outside there. That there is part of the game-changing piece there, to put that Parmesan, give that nice crust on the outside. And remember, we just want to keep flipping these a little bit to get that cheese melted. If you've got a top to put on there, that would be really good. You can kind of really get that cheese melted faster. We don't have one. We're also building a lot more sandwiches, so we're just going to rotate them and then get that cheese going. So let's go ahead and flip a couple more of these. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! And that Parmesan's gonna get everywhere. It's just the way it is. Yeah. Now do remember, make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit that like button, leave us a message in the comments below, tell us maybe your favorite campside dinner that you guys like to do, or maybe something epic that you guys do at your campground. But yeah, make sure you're subscribed, make sure that you're you know, helping us out. We're building this content for you guys out here, and you know, we're having a good time, and definitely helps us support the channel. So yeah, definitely make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. There's nothing better in the fall than getting yourself some nice comfort food. You can see here we're starting to get that cheese to get ooey gooey there. This will be the second rotation here, and we're just going to keep rotating them and getting them going. Okay, so we're still working our sandwiches here. As you can see, we still got that nice crispy there. We haven't got any burnt yet. We're just flipping them every like minute and a half, 2 minutes, making it happen so you don't get that burnt, but you're getting that cheese starting to melt. And you can see on here, look at that. That's starting to get gooey there on our first one, and the rest of these are going to start coming around here pretty quick. Obviously, you do not have to do anything this crazy and dramatic for, you know, grilled cheese sandwiches. On most weekends, maybe we wouldn't do anything this out of control, but I do like to bring in a couple different kinds of cheese. I love using that compound butter. It just makes everything better. That bacon and tomato is something new that we're going to put in for this one, but even just a plain grilled cheese sandwich and some tomato soup by the campfire, you can't beat that, man. It really doesn't matter what you're cooking with, what you're doing. The biggest thing is that you got these people behind you. You're out here having a good time, making the memories. That's the most important thing. This just gives you a good reason to have some good food while you're out here with good friends. So let's get back to these sandwiches. So we can see here, cheese getting gooey. And you know what they say, it's not easy being cheesy. It really isn't. Ooh, that one's getting away from us a little bit. We gotta watch that one. We're almost done here. Stay tuned when we cut these things open and get that payoff. But yeah, we're almost there. All right, we're finishing up this video. We're about ready to show you guys the payoff of these sandwiches and what these things are gonna look like here. So let's slice into one of these. Now the cool thing about these sandwiches is, and doing this on the Blackstone, is you can take your little scraper deal here, and we use this a lot to cut some stuff. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down here, and I'm gonna just try to just slide that right down the middle here. And look at that. Are you kidding me right now? Look at that. It's hard to see because of that light, but that is a gooey mess. Oh, look at that cheese. We are gonna get after this dinner here. We got our tomato soup on lock over here. We're gonna enjoy ourselves an epic dinner.
My hip,
and let me do it.
And I laid down and it wore me out. So I just
Stop it. little bit of cheese.
Wonderful. Oh my gosh.
You have a bite? Like gout?
Yes, you may. Going back in.
He's like, get your own.
I take those. It was just sharp pain, right?
Heck yes.
Big old poker stick.
Look at that cheese. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Then you take a little bacon pocket there. Oh, what? What is that? What is that? That looks like bacon in your tomato soup.
Yep. Mama ain't raised no fool. If there's bacon around, you can add it to just about everything.
True statement.
You can take that to the bank. Boom. About to make some magic happen in my belly.
Right here.
I have it all over my face too.
A little bit.
It's delicious. Thank you.
Yeah.
Did a great job.
It's
It's one of my favorite foods.
I could die a happy man. It's delightful. And what I would say is, honestly, if I was to put this on a 10 scale, I'm gonna give it like a 9.2. And the best damn sandwich I've ever eaten.
Yeah.
that cheese is just insane.
There's cheese on cheese on cheese.
It's a play on cheese.
It is.
Hey Brent, is it pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Hashtag Josh. Josh life back there. Look at that! That cheese is insane. So it looks like this was a success. Everybody's enjoying themselves some grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna get a chance to get at some of this, but you've heard it first. Everybody here is loving that grilled cheese. So if you like the content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We're out here doing big things for you guys, and obviously we are ending this camping year here soon, but the videos will not cease to continue to be rolling out. But yeah, great way to end an epic 2020 camping season. And from Riverbend Campground, we'll see you in the next video.